Asicele. Kodwa la. Engalapho sinafika moon.
Look at this money. If you want to make this money, just make sure to subscribe to my channel. Need the notification bell. I'll see you on the video.
Win 2.5 rand, guys, on Betway. How you can win 2.5 on Betway. Guys, please make sure you watch this video until the end so that you will see the tricks that I'm gonna show you today that people are not talking about. So guys, please make sure you watch this video until the end so that you won't miss any of these, guys. Okay, guys, now we're on the Betway, guys. We're on the Betway app, guys. So guys, on this one, guys, if you don't have an account on the Betway, please make sure you register or download the app. Is available on your Play Store. Go and download the app and register, guys, so that you will use this step, guys, to win your 2,500 rand, guys. So guys, this strategy, guys, is working for me, and I've tried it. It's working for me, guys. It's for you if you want to invest money, guys. It's for you, guys, if you want to invest money on this app. So if you came and find this video and don't want to invest money, this video is not for you. It's for people that are interested in investing money on Betway to get a profit, guys. So guys, please make sure you watch this video until the end, because I don't want you to miss any step that I'm gonna show you here. Please watch this video until the end, guys. Please make sure. So guys, now on the Betway, you will come to here where there's league, and you go to choose you're gonna choose, oh come on, you're gonna choose, let me check, I need England here. England, where is England? I don't see England. Okay, I don't see England here. No, I don't see England. Okay, it's okay. Let me show you, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, this phone is freezing. Still refreshing, guys. Please wait a little bit. This network is too bad. Please wait a little bit. Wait a little bit, guys. Wait. Going for live. Okay, here we are, guys. Here we are. I'm sorry for taking your time. It was my network problem. So guys, please, I'm sorry for that. So guys, when you're going to choose here, let me show you how you can choose here, guys. Now we're on the live games, guys. This one started now. So on this one, okay, let's scroll down. As you can see, these teams here, let me show you these ones. See these teams here and this one there. And look at the draw odds here. So guys, basically here, when you want to choose, guys, look at the time. The time is 57:25. So basically this time is going to end 40 something minutes left, guys, for the match to end. So remember, it's live. The teams are playing now. This team has 2 and this one has only 1. So the chances of this team here for not scoring again is very high, guys. It's very high. This team won't score just because the time is going, and the draw odds here is 4.35, and if it's 4.35, the time of this the chances of this team to make a draw is very low, guys. It's very low because this time is going, guys. So yeah, guys, you're gonna choose this team here, because it's already winning. The team is already winning, and there will be no draw on this bet, guys. There will be no draw. So you're gonna do the same on all of these live games here that are playing right now. Choose 10 teams, guys. 10 teams, only 10 teams to win this 2.5, guys. gonna choose this one here. As I told you, we will do this until you will add the teams until you have 10 teams there. And scroll. Make sure you choose teams that are like this one. The chances of the TN stars to make a draw, or for all this team to make a draw is very low. It's very low. So you can choose this one because there will be no draw here. There will be no draw. You can choose this one again. Still loading more. You go choose this one as I showed you guys. I showed you. And you go down. You can choose this one again because the time is running. You can choose this one, guys. I showed you how you can choose, guys. I showed you. I'm sorry for this one. It's the network problem. It's interrupting me. This one, can you make a draw? Choose this one. Okay, we have 9 teams, guys. We have 9 teams. This one, let's cancel this one. Yeah, it's going to be 100 rand, guys. Gonna invest 100 rand. So guys, I won't add a lot of teams here, but you can add more teams to make that 2,500 rand. Guys, thank you for watching on this video. Thank you.